men started joining Global Woman. So that prompted the question, we've got men coming in, why are they coming in?
Global men, we have to be healthy mind, body, and spirit. So that's what we do.
I think as global men, we have a responsibility to both our friends, our family members, our partners, our children, to be able to make a positive impact.
So I've never been to an event like this before. So you can say it's a kind of excitement.
So there's an absolute business imperative to have men being men and supporting women being women.
Having a Global Man Club means that we have a space where we can feel heard, we can feel listened, but also we can be challenged to be better than who we were yesterday.
Yeah, it was just a beautiful thing, and this is a beautiful, beautiful evening.
Global Man, I didn't want it to be another business networking club, but the focus within it is looking at ourselves and how we live our best lives, show up in the best way.